Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to open Windows Registry, a powerful tool that allows you to customize and configure your Windows operating system. So to access Windows Registry, press the Windows key on your keyboard. It's typically located between the Control and Alt keys, and it has a Windows logo on it. So while holding the Windows key, press the R key. This will open the Run dialog. Now, in the Run dialog that appears, you'll see a text field. You should type regedit without the quotes into this field. So REGEDIT. Let's type here. Now click OK or press enter on your keyboard. So there will be a prompt that says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Now please click yes. And then it will open the registry editor window on your computer screen. So after completing the steps, the Windows registry editor will open. Here you can navigate through the registry's hierarchical structure to access and modify various system settings and configurations. And that's it. You now know how to easily open the Windows registry, granting you access to a world of advanced customization options for your Windows operating system. Remember, the Windows registry is a powerful tool, but it's also a place where making the wrong changes can have serious consequences. Be cautious and only modify registry entries when you're confident about what you're doing. Small changes can make a big difference in optimizing your Windows experience. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to open Windows Registry. See you on my next video.